Hey everyone, this is Dan and I'm super happy to present to you the brand new update, the AI assistant for the whole platform. The ability to create amazing text with the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI in your system. Alright, let me show you how simple it is. Alright, so we're now inside of the platform, and in every text widget you have the ability for the AI assistant, which allows you to transform the text inside that widget. So for example, this headline, we have the ability to improve it, to basically rephrase what is currently given here. And here it is, a brand new title that was generated by the AI. You also have the ability to change the tone. Maybe you want to make it something more friendly, more excited, and here it is, a brand new excited headline. Now you have also the other options for expand, to basically enrich and create a bigger paragraph, mostly just for paragraphs, not for headlines, because they're usually very short. To shorten, if you have generated something quite long and you want to shorten it to summarize it, or to generate a brand new text out of a specific input that you want to have, and I'll show you in a second. But let's say that you want to create a description based on this headline. It's very simple. One way is to just paste it here and then use the expand. So that will take this information, expand it to create a paragraph, and then you can adjust and see which ones you want to use. So this is quite a big chunk of text. Obviously it's not good to have that much on your page. So you can just decide which ones you want to keep. One other option is to use the shorten, so basically to reduce the size of this paragraph to be shorter. So here it is, just a couple of sentences, or 3 sentences in this case, and just like that you have a brand new headline and description for this black leather idea. You can add and use this AI assistant to all the texts throughout your pages, and just go crazy and create something really amazing and improve your content. Now, if you want to generate content about the SEO as well, it's very simple. In your page, you have the ability to create SEO title and SEO description based on the content onto the page. So just click on this button, we'll start generating the title and the description, fetching all the data from the page. And as you can see, generated a title and description by this using this information. It's very, very simple, and you have the ability to also improve further if you want, by using this button again with all the other options. So very, very simple now to generate SEO titles and descriptions without doing it yourself. You also have the ability to change the language. So this is example in English, but if you want and you're building a website in different languages, it's very simple. Just select the language if you haven't for the website or the funnel. Let's say in Spanish. Click on save. And currently you have to refresh in order to take effect. And now when we generate new texts, it will be in Spanish because that's the language. Now here in the AI, let's say that we want to improve. And as you can see, it now starts to generate in Spanish. It's very, very simple, very, very useful to generate websites in basically any type of a language. Now if let's say and go back to the previous language, just for the English, for the sake of the example and the demo. Now let's go to the blog. The blog, we have here a few options to show you a few things that you want to do. For example, let's say that you have an article or that you want to build an article. This is actually text created with AI, and it's very simple. Let me show you how. With the AI you can generate text, like I said. So for example, you can tell the AI create an article for a wooden table. So it will start generating text, a few paragraphs most likely, about white wooden table, which you can of course then enrich, expand, use as reference to build something really, really awesome for your blog. And it will take a bit more time because it generates a lot of text. And here it is, a few paragraphs about white wooden table that it was generated in a few seconds. And then you can start customizing, maybe enrich, etc., etc. There is another also cool feature. You have the summary of each blog article, which also you can change using the AI, and you can fetch again the information from the article to summarize it. So just clicking on this button, and that's all you need to do. That now generates a summary from the content of your page. And just like that, you have a brand new summary of this article. And just like 15-20 seconds you have an article, obviously a small one, just for the example, with a summary, and yeah, it's ready to use. Now, we also introduced the AI inside of the products in the store. This is really useful because you may have a lot of products and you don't want to use to create your descriptions or SEO titles. You can do it right now. And let's say, again, white wooden chair for the example, that you can, of course, you can enrich, you can improve it, and create different variations, but you also have the ability to create a description from the title. So this whole description can be changed by using this title, and just like that we have a brand new description for the product. And again, it's long, but if you want, you can shorten it just with a few clicks of the new AI. And you can use again the SEO to generate a brand new SEO friendly title and description by clicking on the button, and just like that it was created for you. And just like that we have a new product with title, description and SEO information. But we also introduced the AI inside of the email marketing as well. So now building emails is even more it's simpler than before, because we have there in the design, when you build your emails, you have the ability to use the text editor to again customize and improve on your text, copies, headlines, anything that you built inside of emails and automation flows. And yeah, this is how simple it is to use the platform, to use the AI inside of the platform to improve your text, to create amazing websites, amazing copies, articles, products, descriptions, emails, everything with the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI and the Simvoly platform. But this is also available for white label partners. So let me show you how simple it is to enable this whole functionality for your users in your white label solution. Alright, so you can provide your AI assistant to all your users in your white label solutions, and you can enable that. It is an add-on to your whole platform. It's basically just for you to enable it, and basically all the customers get it. And it is based on how many active projects you have on your system, and it doesn't matter how many trials you have. You can have, let's say, 1,000 trials and 50 active. You'll be in this tier with only $39 per month. We actually wanted to introduce the AI assistant with the introduction of the add-on, so you can create an add-on for AI assistant, and if you want, customers can pay to get access to this tool. But because of the hype and you guys being so excited about this functionality, we wanted to introduce it earlier so that you can provide it as a value to your users. But you have the ability to also introduce it onto specific plans. You also have the ability to limit if trial users will have it or not. So you have the ability here if you want to enable or disable for trial users. And in each plan itself, you have the ability to disable that plan to have the AI assistant. So maybe you want only specific plans to be utilizing this functionality basically as added value. You have the ability to do that. So this is how simple it is to enable the AI assistant in your plans, in your platform, and start using it for yourself, for your customers, for whoever you want. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think. Please test it out. Let us know how would you be using the AI, and yeah, let us know in the comments what you think of the whole integration. Thank you.